This is the Conbrov Portocam NT21. It's a full 1080p high-resolution, high-definition spy camera pen with night vision. It has 180-minute recording capacity on the battery in daylight mode, and in nighttime mode it's 90 minutes. Inside the box they give you all sorts of cards here and the instruction manual. The pen, of course, they give you a really nice sort of box or case for it, you know, kind of really hard cardboard like that. There's a little reset pin in case you need to reset it, and a standard charging cable, which is USB to micro USB. This is the camera right here. If you look closely, you can see it just above the clip. There it is there. On the back, there's a little hole. There it is, which is a little indicator light. And of course, it's a pen as well. You just twist the end there, and the tip comes out. And you can write with it. So it's a regular pen with a camera built in. Now, all the goodies are under the cap there. The cap itself acts as a button, as you can see up top, right there. That's to turn it on and off, basically start and stop recording. And there's a little groove in it on that side as well as on that side. You can just grip that with your fingernails and pull it out. With the cap removed, you can see the actual button that gets pressed there, the slot for a micro SD card, and the port in which you charge it with. Now, this is the spy camera that we've all been looking for. This is the one that's completely hidden out of sight. You could just barely notice it. There's no lights on the front of it whatsoever, so really nobody would ever know that it's actually a camera that records. But it means nothing if the quality isn't there. Well, I've tested this out, and I will be including a video clip of that shortly that shows this during the day and in darkness, as well as something extra. The quality on this is absolutely excellent. For a camera this small, it's full 1080p like I had said before. Excellent all around. I'm very, very impressed. This is what I've been looking for a very, very long time. This way you can take it with you, great for office meetings. Maybe you have a boss who maybe says some things that he or she shouldn't to employees, or maybe even yourself, so you can gather evidence, stuff like that. It really does a very good job. Now, due to US regulations, this is shipped with the sound turned off. You can enable the sound, it's very easy, and on their website is a link that gives you the firmware update for the pen. You just put it on the SD card, stick the card in, turn it on, and within about 10 seconds it's updated, ready to go, and you can also set the time and date and all that great stuff as well. And then the audio, of course, is enabled. So I'm now going to show you a short clip to give you a sample idea of what this can actually do for you. This is what it looks like with the room lights on. This is what it looks like in complete darkness in the night vision mode. And here's all the flashy colored lights. So once again, this was the Conbrov Portocam NT21 full 1080p spy camera pen. Excellent quality all around, and it doubles as a pen. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.